Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Talking right now, take it away.
Thank you, Becky. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests.
I know we have a lot of journalists that really want to get a picture, but please can we make some way for President Macron and Governor Ambode to make their way to the RX Lagos stand, please? Journalists, can we please make some way?
Your Excellency, Governor Ambode, Monsieur the President, welcome to this celebration of African culture. It is a true privilege and honor for us to have you here this evening, and for us as Artex Lagos, West Africa's first international art fair, to have the privilege to introduce you to the city's artists. Monsieur le Président, je suis vraiment très excitée de vous rencontrer et je vais vous montrer quelques des meilleurs artistes ici au Nigeria. It was a huge responsibility to choose just 3 artists. His Excellency will tell you that he has made Lagos a formidable home for the country's artists, the very best. And tonight we have the privilege of presenting 3 contemporary artists who have assembled their work here for you to see. Your Excellency, Monsieur le Président, please meet Victor Henrique Camelo. Victor is a multifaceted painter, writer, photographer, and sculptor.
It's an honor to have you here and to grace this place with this historic place. I'm Lagos-based, I'm Nigerian, so I work in Lagos.
And about the work, Victor?
My works are mostly based on iconographic works from ancient writing language from Benin City, Kingdom of Benin City, and I use it to tell contemporary stories, and I mix Catholic background with my traditional background, which is what you are seeing here, where I'm exploring the stained glass to mix it with ancient works. I started quite early as a kid, so I grew up and went to school, and which I've been painting for the past 25 years.
You export, when do you organize exhibitions? All around the place, in the region?
I would say pretty much all over the world. I've shown in almost all the continents in the world. Last year, which was our first time of doing it.
Thank you very much, Victor. Thank you, Your Excellencies. And next we move on to a woman who I'm so incredibly excited to introduce to you. Her name is Ndidi Emefiele. Ndidi is a mixed media artist and painter. She's living between Nigeria and the UK, and is incredibly excited to have the privilege to meet both His Excellency and Monsieur the President. Please Your Excellency, Mr. President, I present to you.
Good evening, Your Excellencies. I draw from gender and cultural and also personal references. I try to use my works to address issues within the society which is also of relevance to a wider audience. I'm basically highlighting these women and showing women who occupy and dominate whatever spaces they occupy, and telling them as key players in society, women who don't conform to societal standards and expectations. Here I have somebody's commute, and when you talk about somebody, you're referring to someone who's of high value and importance, and these women are very important, and this is their community party, they're out there living out their best lives. And they also have a body cast.
very much indeed.
You take care of her, I would say.
Yes, I do. It is our job as this outlet to ensure that Nigeria and Africa's best artists are well looked after here. And of course, we continue to continue the trend that is being done by the state. Thank you.
You always work in Lagos. You always work here.
Works in Lagos here, and I live here from time to time. I'm based in Abuja where I have a studio.
We brought out Nigeria's finest, Nigeria's most exciting contemporary artists, and so indeed was one of the artists that we selected. Your Excellency, do you have any questions?
I just want to tell you that she has to be able to assist to the works.
That's Your Excellency.
Thank you very much, sir. And last but certainly not least, we have a contemporary photographer, Abraham Ogobase. Abraham is a photographer who blurs the lines between photography and performance art. Abraham has actually exhibited widely in Europe and Nigeria, and has also exhibited in France.
Yeah, Sydney, very happy to meet you. Your Excellency, President of France, I'm really happy to be here. I'm shy and nervous. I don't know what to say, but straight to the work. The works are titled Ecstatic. My work is pretty much inspired by the social economic landscape of Lagos and the human spirits, because as you can see, Lagos and Africans, like how vibrant we are, how energetic we are. The African spirit is something that you can't quantify. It can be abstract, but also it can be, the things that you see today that the government exudes, that we exude, they strive to survive, irrespective of anything. I often also use my work as performance material for my work as well. Self-portraits that you find here. I also have exhibited these works at the Center for African Atlantic Center for Atlantic Center of Photography in Brest, actually a few years ago, and also my works have also been exhibited widely.
Thank you very much, Abraham, for that. Your Excellency, Mr. the President, any final questions?
What are the next projects for you?
Actually, at the moment, I'm exploring issues of colonial rule. My reference point is the plateau landscapes that was exploited by the British in about 1910, where they exploited tea. So my work pretty much revolves around colonial rule and exploitation.
Thank you. Your Excellency?
I just want to say that I feel the energy of Lagos in this body. Good job.
Thank you very much, sirs. Thank you for taking the time to visit us. It is such a privilege to meet you. We wish you a wonderful evening. There is truly a tremendous array of talent here for you to see. And enjoy the show. À bientôt. C'était très très bien de vous rencontrer. Merci beaucoup.
Thank you, Tokini. And as the presidential party make their way to the seats, please make some noise for Footprints of David as they welcome them.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so that if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.